Turo host, the best way you can actually get financially further is this simple. Start understanding your Turo insurance plans: the Turo 60, the Turo 75, the Turo 80, the Turo 85, and the Turo 90. The reason why this is very important, I don't care how experienced you are or if you're inexperienced or if you're new to Turo host platform. The reason you have to understand is because this determines how much you're going to be paid. The Turo 60 provides you a $0 deductible, what essentially means if your car is damaged or totaled, you pay nothing out of pocket, but you share 60%, and Turo takes 40% of every dollar, and you earn 60% of every dollar. Said Turo 75, you earn 75% of every dollar. Turo earns 25% of every dollar. The Turo 80, you earn 80% of every dollar. Turo earns 20% of every dollar. And Turo 85, you earn 85% of the dollar, and Turo earns 15% of the dollar. Turo 90, you earn 90% of the dollar, and Turo earns 10% of the dollar. Each of these govern a different deductible. Turo 60, $0 deductible. The Turo 75, a $250 deductible. The Turo 80 is a $750 deductible. The Turo 85 is $1,625, $1,625 deductible. And the Turo 90, the one I'm on, is a $2,500 deductible. The reason you want to understand as well. It's common sense, yes. But the thing is this: you want to start figuring out what's the likelihood of your car being in an accident, or you want to protect yourself further. What I typically like to do is to protect my income. I start with the Turo 60 because what I don't want to happen, I don't want my car to, first day I add it to the platform, it's destroyed, right? Then I'm out of pocket a deductible. So I'll put on Turo 60, and once I earn and accrue $250, I'll move it to the next Turo 75 plan, because now I can afford the deductible in Turo 75. Now I'm on a Turo 75, and then I'll work and save, and then I won't move to the Turo 80 until I earn $750, which is the next deductible. And then I move to the Turo 80, that earn at $1,625, $1,625. And once I earn that, then I pretty much move up to the next level, the Turo 90, and then I earn $2,500, and now I stay there, and I'm earning 90% of every dollar. If you stay on one of these plans too long, especially ones in the lower brackets, yeah, you're more protected and you have a lower deductible, but you're losing more money in the long term. It's not worth losing that much money when I could just simply save $2,500 for a deductible. You lose a lot more if you stay on the Turo 60, 75, 80, 85, in my personal opinion. I am a Turo Pro. That's one of my strategies I use. Do your own due diligence. Hopefully that helps. And that's how you get financially further. Doing the math, it all starts with the Turo plans first. Carl Layn out.